Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming Operation Nail Growth Round 3, Week 3 update. Last week I wanted to get this video up, but with the holiday it was just a little crazy. I ended up painting my nails the night before Thanksgiving really quickly after I finished all my baking and cooking, and I didn't set up my camera to chat because it was so late and I just wanted to get it done. So I figured I would do it now. So we're a little late, we kind of missed a week, but that's okay. That means we have some good growth going on. I do want to jump into this mani, so let's just do a quick little update on the nails. So they're still kind of stained from that original red. I'm so bummed about it, but they did grow a good amount. So they're all square. This one broke. My thumb took a little bit of a hit a couple weeks ago. I don't know if that was broken last manicure or not. It may have been, but that's okay. We're gonna polish them up today and make them look much better. So I'm just gonna jump into this mani and chit chat while we go. I'm obviously still pregnant. I'm 38 weeks pregnant and I am feeling every bit of 38 weeks. I'm kind of ready for this baby to arrive whenever he's ready. I went to the doctor on Monday. I'm filming today on Wednesday, and I was already 2 centimeters dilated, so things are starting to move, but that doesn't really mean too much. I mean, it's a good sign, but I could be at this place for 3 more weeks or 3 hours. It's really a weird place to be in. So I'm just kind of on high alert, trying to take it pretty easy. I did take on a little more work the next couple weeks just because I had some good opportunities come my way and I really have nothing else to do but rest, I guess. Actually, that's not true. I feel like I have so much to do, but just trying to do it all as slow as I can, just at a pace that's comfortable for me. Like miscellaneous things. I had to get an oil change. We installed the car seats. I have to finish setting up the nursery. Finally, everything arrived for my changing station. I'm gonna set that up later today after my nails dry. Trying to catch up on my laundry, trying to catch up on the baby's laundry. We had a really busy but like wonderful holiday weekend. You can see we got our tree. I'm so happy we got our tree. It just really contributes to the overall vibe of the house. Our bathroom is done, but we have to put everything back in it. So we kind of have bathroom stuff still lingering all over the house. So maybe tonight Dan and I will tackle that, but we're just cruising along. And I'm wondering when to do my gel manicure. Today I pulled Olive and June's art class. This is one of my favorite shades. I use it all of the time. I consider it a neutral. It's like a gray, purple, I don't know. It blends with everything, but I still don't know what I want to do for when baby arrives. I definitely want to do gel though. This morning I swatched the On My Wishlist collection from Gelish, which I've had for a couple weeks, but haven't tapped into yet. So that was a lot of fun because those colors are stunning. I don't know if I want to do one of them for labor because they're all pretty bold. I almost feel like I want to go with a mauve or something. I don't know. Your suggestions were helpful in some of the previous videos, so if you have any more to share, feel free to throw them in the comments. I think I'll know when it's time to do my nails. I'm just telling myself that I'll know. So we're going with that. Yeah, I'm just feeling really kind of out of breath, pretty tired. I've been sleeping on the couch because it's just so much more comfortable than the bed. This morning I woke up and I feel like I'm getting a little bit of a sore throat, which I'm not excited about. I hope it's nothing. I'm gonna make some tea after this, and then I have some editing and computer work to do, so I'm just gonna take it easy for the rest of the day. I went and got a haircut yesterday. I really wanted to do that because my hair grew so much over the past few months. I think I got a trim in July, but I went yesterday real quick and I love how it came out. She got rid of so many of the dead ends and the dead like bleach. I had put my hair through quite a bit this time last year. I stopped with like all the highlights and lowlights for a bit once I got pregnant, and I've just been doing a single process on my roots. So my hair is really dark right now, which I don't totally love, but it's just easier to maintain. One coat of Olive and June is on. I didn't even make my talking list. I'm just happy that I had the energy to set up my camera and everything and film this update because I don't want round 3 to just slip through the cracks. We started it, we're gonna try to finish it. But here we go. Here's one coat of art class. It looks kind of like really purple in the camera, but I'm here for it. So what else is going on? I'm sorry if you can hear my washing machine. I'm doing a bunch of laundry downstairs. I think I just overloaded the washer too much with this last load. Too many towels. I started my Christmas shopping last week, the week before, so I put a good dent in it. I still have a few people to buy for, but I'm feeling pretty confident that we have a nice head start. I really just wanted to get that done because once the baby's here, I know I'm not gonna want to do any of it. I have a ton of other like miscellaneous things to get done. I have to like call our health insurance for next year. I have to call the oil company. I mentioned we have to finish setting up the changing station in the nursery, putting everything back in the bathroom. I have to finish packing my hospital bag. It's really almost done. The last few things that are going in there are pretty much things that I use every day, like my makeup. I think I am gonna bring a hot tool, just one. See if I used it or not. Probably my Revlon brush. And then we got some snacks this week, which everyone told me I had to make sure that I packed. I think we're in pretty good shape with the hospital bag. I'm feeling overall pretty good about it. Gosh, my naked nails were driving me crazy the past couple of days. I had to go to Ocean State Job Lot yesterday because I'm filming another holiday campaign with them, which I'm really excited about and so grateful for because I've really enjoyed working with them. And their store is such a hidden gem. There's so much stuff there. There was an in-store portion to it. Everything I picked up and touched, I had to try to hide my ugly nails because they were unpolished and I didn't have time to paint and film before I went, so wasn't too happy about that. That orange stain, like red orange stain, was so gross. I could probably buff it off, but I hate buffing my nails too much. These look so good. I actually am really liking the length and the shape. I'm gonna have square nails for baby boy's birth. I just hope I don't break any before I get to my gel. I think I'll be okay. So my sister got engaged over the summer, which is so exciting. So they have been starting to plan their wedding. Haven't picked a location yet, and they're exploring a ton of different options, but they're hoping for next year, and I am so excited. I just can't wait for a wedding, especially another family wedding. And I think it's going to be such good motivation for me to just like get up and moving back into shape and just fun stuff to look forward to. So I've been enjoying hearing about all of their progress and their updates. And it's so fun to be like somewhat involved in wedding planning that's not yours. I found wedding planning really stressful, and for no good reason either, because my mom did so much of it. She really led the charge, and my parents hosted our wedding, which was so generous and nice, and it was a beautiful day. But still, something about the whole experience and being the center of attention, and it's just also expensive. I just didn't love it. I loved the wedding, don't get me wrong. The wedding itself was amazing and for sure one of the best days of my life. But the planning process, not my favorite. So anyway, it's fun to be part of hers, like from the sidelines, and get to just enjoy everything and share in the joy of the experience itself. I think last week I mentioned my fingers were starting to swell. They're still a little swollen. Ankles get swollen by the end of the day. I could tell my face is starting to swell. The girl's just like retaining water, I guess. I don't know. But we're hanging in. We're doing good. We're just watching the Christmas movies, trying to stay comfortable and cozy. And that's it. I mean, what else can I do? Anyway, that Gelish collection, I'm just seeing it in the corner of my eye. I swatched it this morning. A couple of really gorgeous colors in that collection. I don't know the names off the top of my head, but the green that I swatched, I'll put a little clip in here if I remember. The green was stunning. I actually really liked the blue too. Hold on, I think there was a burgundy as well. I put them all on my phone. Let's see. This was like a deep cranberry burgundy. 1, 2, 3. I think there were just 6 shades. Beautiful collection. Grab it at beyondpolish.com if you're looking to stock up. I do still have an active coupon code with them. I think it's Bella. I really should know what the code is. I just have so many codes, and I always tell them like, please use Bella, Amanda Bella, and sometimes they want to add numbers. Yeah, Bella. Use code Bella at beyondpolish.com for a nice discount on gel polishes. Almost ready for a top coat. Ooh, this one's a little gloopy. I think I meant to grab the other one. And I just smudged. Dang it. This is why I miss gel. Gel manicures are just my favorite. They really are. And I haven't had one in, I don't even know. I wonder if I Instagrammed the last one I did. I've been taking a break. Oh, I think probably my baby shower. Test the waters. I haven't posted anything in forever. Okay, let's start with the top coat on the opposite hand while this finger dries. I did get a new book. I think we were talking about books last time. I think I smudged it again. Amanda, what is wrong with you? Pregnant and you're not paying attention. That's what's wrong with you. And this top coat isn't working. I already said that before. I have another one in that bag. And there is a top coat in here. My husband gets home early from work today. He should still be a couple hours, I hope. But I always like to film when I'm alone, especially if I'm filming like in the dining room like I am today. I get like nervous and camera shy if he's listening to me from the other room. Olive and June top coat is just so amazing. It's just so thick and glossy. It goes on so easily. It makes my nails feel like gel. I still haven't gotten my hands on Dazzle Dry. I don't think they want to collab, which is fine. So I just have to buy a system, but I keep forgetting. And the weeks fly by and then it's like update time. And I still don't have it, but one of these days I will get my hands on it. Secondhand top coat. We are almost done. I'm really impressed with the growth that we have got in the 3 weeks. Not bad. Oh, on Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, my mom and I went to go get pedicures. I haven't gotten a pedicure in years. Like, I do them myself normally. And the last one I did, I filmed. It was pregnant pedi with me. It's on my channel. And that was really challenging to do. But I really wanted to get a pedicure before the baby was here. I wanted my toes to be done, so they should hold up. It's kind of funny because my favorite pedicure polish is OPI's It's a Girl. It's just the perfect light pink for my skin tone, I think. So I do that all the time. So I'm at the salon picking out this color and everyone's like, oh, you know, asking about pregnancy or having a boy, or having a girl. I'm like, well, I'm having a boy, but we're using It's a Girl on my toes, which nobody has to know. I just thought it was kind of ironic. But if you're looking for a really good light pink, it's the perfect shade. I always do 3 coats. I find that's the sweet spot. Perfect pedi polish. So anyway, my mom and I went to do that. It was such a nice day. We went and had lunch, and then we went to check out a new Marshalls that just opened. Oh, I bought a cute outfit for the baby to put in my hospital bag. Just another coming home option. I don't know what he's gonna fit in. I don't know what I'm gonna wanna put him in. So we have a few ideas. I don't even know what they're supposed to wear. Are they supposed to wear like a onesie home? Does he wear like a full, like heavier fleece zip up kind of thing? Does he need a coat? I know you're not supposed to put him in a coat in the car seat. I don't know. There's so much I don't know. I don't know anything. I feel like we're gonna have a major crash course once he's here. Breastfeeding, I plan to do it. I plan to try. Really don't know how that's gonna go. The whole schedule thing is really intense. The pumping thing is pretty intense. I don't know the sleep schedule. I know they just eat, sleep, and need to be changed. That's pretty much the routine for the first few weeks. But I think I've changed one diaper in my life that I can remember. We're just gonna have a lot to figure out. And my husband's in the same boat. We're both like complete newbies. We're competent people. I think we'll be okay. Once these are dry, we're gonna do a little sweet almond on them, which is, there it is. Sweet Almond had a big 50% off sale for the Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, which was great. We were able to sell a ton of bottles. We actually sold out of eyedroppers, so I'm completely out of stock with eyedroppers, which is exciting, but I'm waiting on a new shipment of eyedroppers, and I don't know what's up with it. Supply chain issues or something. Hopefully those are coming soon. I really need some kind of just like business marketing strategy with Sweet Almond during my maternity leave and just moving forward. I would love an extra set of hands with that. I feel like I'm just in over my head sometimes. I have a few brand ambassadors who are awesome. They create some great content for me and they all have codes, but I just need to be more consistent. That's always been my problem. I've never been terribly consistent with content. There's a time period in like 2016, 2017. I think I had just quit my job and I was grinding, like blogging every day, not posting every day, but working on blogs every day. There were at least probably 2 posts a week, YouTube videos, Instagram videos. I was really consistent and it really paid off. But the entire landscape of the influencer blogging industry has changed so much that I continue to struggle finding my place in it and exactly how I want to continue moving forward. So I just do the things that I truly enjoy, take on the campaigns that I'm comfortable doing and excited about, and we just see where we go from there. But I definitely don't post as much as I should and as much as I used to. All right, these are done. They're looking so much better. My swollen fingies. See if I can get the tray in the back. Before flipping my camera on, I unloaded the dishwasher, reloaded the dishwasher, got all the laundry going. So I should be okay to have a little dry time. I just want to make a cup of tea. Hopefully I won't smudge, and I just want to edit this video so I can get it up ASAP. Hopefully it's up tomorrow for you. If not tonight. I always feel weird uploading a video like later in the day. I like to upload them at 6 a.m. I don't know why. That's just like my time, but I could do it today if I finish. Then I had a collab with Amazon. I already created the content. I just have to upload it all now. So those are my goals for the rest of the day. I also should probably go to the grocery store and pick up something for dinner. I'm so over making dinner. I just never have any ideas. I never feel like cooking. Last night I ate carrots, olives, cottage cheese, apples, and peanut butter for dinner. It was great. That doesn't do it for my husband. He prefers a more, substantial meal. And he deserves one. He works with his hands all day. He's a chiropractor. He's very physical. So he comes home tired and hungry, and carrot sticks don't do it for him. So I gotta figure something out tonight. So that is it for this Operation Nail Growth Round 3, Week 3 update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are painting along, let me know how you guys are doing on your journey, how your nails are growing, how your manicures are holding up, what polishes you're wearing. I'll have to see if I can squeeze another mani in before the baby gets here. We might be able to get one more. I'm definitely planning to do one more. I think the gel mani might be my next one. I don't know. We will see. I can't believe it's almost time. It's so wild. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.